Next is division by s, that is if L inverse of f bar of s is equal to f of t, then L inverse of f bar of s by s is equal to integration of 0 to t f of t dt. So we have to find the L inverse of f bar of s by s. So this can be derived from this formula. So here you have f bar of s by s. If I take L inverse, you will be getting L inverse of 1 by s. F bar of s is equal to the integration of 0 to t f of t dt. And further, f of t can be written as L inverse of f bar of s. So L inverse of f bar of s by s can be written as integration of 0 to t L inverse of f bar of s dt. So this is for by s. If it is s squared, you will be getting double integration, s cube, triple integration, and it goes on. So we will move on to the problems. The first problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s squared plus 2s plus 2. So here this is of the form 1 by s into f bar of s. So let me take f bar of s as 1 by s squared plus 2s plus 2, and let us take the inverse, and then we will move on to 1 by s. So first let f bar of s be 1 by s squared plus 2s plus 2. So this we have to arrange in such a form that we can apply the inverse Laplace. So what is s plus 1 the whole square? We can take this. So it is s squared plus 2s plus 1. So this can be written as s plus 1 the whole squared plus 1. So this is equal to 1 by s plus 1 the whole squared plus 1, or 1 squared. If I apply inverse Laplace, L inverse of f bar of s is equal to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 the whole squared plus 1 squared. So we will check the formula. Which is applicable? It is 1 by s plus b the whole square plus a squared. So this is of the form this, where b is 1 and a is also 1. So this can be written as 1 by a. So a here is 1, so it is e to the power minus b is 1, so minus t sin at. So a is also 1, so this is e to the power minus t sin t. And this is the answer for 1 by s squared plus 2s plus 2. We have to include 1 by s, so we will use a formula. So we know that L inverse of f bar of s by s is equal to integration. So single integration, as because this is s, it is from 0 to t f of t dt. So here it is L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by my f bar of s is s squared plus 2s plus 2, which is equal to integration of 0 to t. What is f of t here? F of t is L inverse of f bar of s. So this is my f of t. So it is e to the power minus t sin t dt. So what is integration of e to the power minus t into sin t? So we have a formula for this, that is integration of e to the power minus at sin bt dt can be written as e to the power minus at by a squared plus b squared into minus a sin bt minus b cos bt. So this is a formula for e to the power minus at sin bt. So a here is 1 and b here is 1. Let me apply the formula. So it is e to the power minus t by 1 squared plus 1 squared into minus a is 1 sin t minus b is also 1. So it is cos t. So this is equal to e to the power, I can take the negative sign outside. So minus e to the power minus t by 2 into sin t plus cos t. This is from 0 to t. So when I apply t, this is the answer. When I apply 0, it will become e to the power 0. So this is 1, this is 1 by 2, and sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So this will become minus, and you have a negative sign here. So this will become plus. So e to the power 0 is 1 by 2, and these two are 0 and 1. So this is 1 by 2. So this will be my answer. Second problem is find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s squared plus 1 plus s squared. So, solution, this is of the form f bar of s by s squared. So, my f bar of s here is 1 by 1 plus s squared. So, let f bar of s is equal to 1 by 1 plus s squared. We have direct formula for this, that is 1 by s squared plus a squared formula. So, let me take the inverse, so which implies L inverse of f bar of s is equal to L inverse of, this can be written as 1 by s squared plus 1 squared. So, what is the formula? This will be the formula, that is 1 by s squared plus a squared, where a here is 1. Let me apply it. It is 1 by 1, it is 1 by a sin 80. So, 1 by 1 sin 80. So, this will become sin t. So, this is the answer for 1 by 1 plus s squared. Then we have to include 1 by s squared. So, for that we have to apply the formula. So, we know that L inverse of f bar of s by s squared will be equal to, we have double integration 0 to t f of t dt dt. So, L inverse of 1 by s squared into 1 plus s squared is equal to integration of 0 to t sin t dt. So, we will finish this integration first. So, this is integration of 0 to t. If we integrate sin t, it is minus cos t, that is from 0 to t dt. So, integration of 0 to t, if I apply the upper limit, it will become minus cos t minus lower limit cos 0 is 1. So, already we have a negative sign here, this will become plus 1 dt. So, let me integrate this again. So, it is, if I integrate this, it will become sin, already we have a negative sign. So, it is minus sin t. If I integrate this one, it will become t. So, t this is also from 0 to t. So, this is minus sin t plus t, and if I apply 0, sin 0 is 0, and if I apply 0 here, it is also 0. So, this will be my answer.